Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be playing with slime. And it's Squishmallow. I got strawberry scented and the cloud slime.
And I got a blue Squishmallow slime. She got the pink one, I got the blue one. Mine is blue raspberry scented. And if you go to my YouTube channel, you will find my slime, which is Sassy Andriacus something.
Yeah, this is so stretchy. Oh my gosh. And I will put her YouTube channel down in the comments. If the comments even show. Okay, look at this.
Look at this swirl that I made.